Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first to be notified. If you have subscribed here before, thank you, God bless you. My people, today's topic now about I want to advise some of our men will be say if they marry, that they always that is man way too they jealous. Like some men they are too jealous will be say they know they want allow their wife if their wife go outside or they suspect say maybe he don't go sleep with another man. If their woman just greet anybody, they'll just the suspect. I want to really give advice to them. If you know say you be the type of man where they jealous where my dear, never marry, because if you marry, let your wife drink water make keep cup. Yeah, because you get one video when I see for this human rights what they do for Facebook. So the man, the woman said go lock him for his house. Had a man go lock your wife for his house, may not come out. Or because you dey jealous. Like seriously. Who does that? You're not supposed to make man too dey jealous like that. Because if you're too jealous, you don't allow your woman do what you want to do. Your woman not go fit come up for house. Your woman not go fit talk to another person. Okay, you get one because the woman the man say you know want make his wife at all make he even dey come up for his house. May not even the great person. The woman say if he great person na problem. If he come up for his house na problem. The man just too dey jealous, like he dey fear. Good. Good make man dey too dey jealous like that. It dey spoil marriage, it dey spoil relationship. Good. If man too dey jealous, it dey cause breaking of home, it dey cause so many things, it dey lead to different things. You're not supposed to be mad, they too dey jealous. If man too dey jealous, the relationship not dey work out, the marriage not dey work out. There's no one go do rich. So men just too like they too dey insecure, they just dey fear. May the woman may not leave them, may not go carry another man. But it's not good. Just see this one wey me see. Now the woman say no fit again. See, because anything when you do, this man go dey fear. If you greet man now, maybe just greet man for their compound, he go say he don dey joke good one. If you come up for house, if you come up for house, the man go dey fear. Now so he go dey call am make he come house. Like say maybe the woman want go joke go do another man. Trust is very, very important for marriage. A woman wey you not trust, my dear, not go there, go marry am. A woman wey you not trust, no marry am. How you go marry a woman finish? You just dey jealous like say now when you dey date am. You not supposed to be like that at all. You not supposed to make man dey too jealous. Any man wey dey too jealous, the marriage is going nowhere. They work out. The marriage not dey work out at all. So make man not dey too jealous like that, it's not good. If man too jealous, he get it be. I bet for now the hear there's a sound of dog. Now my compound here. So he not supposed to be mad they too jealous like that. Any man wey they jealous like that, the marriage not they work out. And any woman wey they too jealous, as the not they allow the man even waka. If the man come up fast, he go they call him, he go they control your phone. The marriage is going nowhere, my dear. They work out. So may we take this marriage of a team, we take them easy. Some people just like because they don't marry, if their husband go outside, no problem. Okay, see this one now. The woman say not the marry again, just the marriage will never ever go far. The woman say not fit again because the man not trust him. See the man. Okay, then they ask her which evidence you get now when the woman say they shit on you. If they talk, what did they put the talk not even make sense? Say he call the ex-boyfriend. The woman say, nah, he only just call the man they call him, and if they ask of you pikin, he said that the man is supposed to marry, but because the man a married man, I make you not come marry him again. But this woman just that's in the man. He said, but 12 they don't get anything to do with each other. But the woman, but for me, I don't advise anyone make they call the yes, because really like make sense like that, because your past is your past. But for the one where be say the man go just dey jealous, like they allow the woman even come up for his house. He go lock am for his house, or because they jealous. Now you can't jealous pass. The oga wey sabi jealous. Now you be ko oga wey sabi jealous. My dear, make we dey take this marriage of a team, make we take am busy. Marriage not be if you know say you know they work out, it's better you just live on than all those kind jealous of a thing. Like all those kind be say you go just they jealous that say tomorrow not day. Some women dey if their husband come up for house now, so they go they call. They don't go even allow the man rest. Go they trim gun man, they follow everywhere they go because they fear. If they fear, make the man not go carry another woman. How you go marry a man where you not trust? A man go marry a woman where you not trust. At the end now, along the line now, people will come the marriage. Separation will come. The woman go say no, they marry again. The man go say no, they marry again. Yeah, because the jealousy is too much. You don't go allow man make you drink water, make you keep cup. If man come up for us, na problem. If woman come up for us, na problem. And you pray make you marry at even solve the problem for them, because the woman say no fit again because the man not they give her peace. And I know they even drop money for house. So the woman say no, you know they drop money for house. In with the pikin go they hungry. He got to go a friend that's go eat. The man say go come up for house 2 days. He say yeah, na a friend that's they go and they know the friend. Now woman. He go there go eat because food not theirs. And I ain't they even jealous pass. So after those pains we don't make the woman pass through, not they give her money, may tell it nothing. He go see come and say one conjure go, the woman will say no, you not fit because she done the verse already. Which woman go there happy, oga? Which woman go there happy? Una not go talk wetin una dey do, na go only dey talk only wetin the woman dey do. You go only talk the one way go favor, you not go talk the one way you do. You not good. Okay. You not good. So I beg all those kind too. I just want to give this advice to our men. Not the two like jealous like that for if you two they do all those things, the marriage not they work out really. You know they work out because all those kind I too they jealous. If the woman come up for us, na problem. If the woman greet person, na problem. If you greet corporate person, na problem. You know good. So maybe they take them easy. So that make marriage may they work out. If you're too jealous, my dear, the marriage is going nowhere. Yeah. If you be the type, you know, they even allow your wife, even greet man, go talk to person, the marriage is going nowhere. The marriage not go work out. It not go work out. Not be say na lie. It not go work. You understand? So I beg, move they take this marriage of a team, move take them easy. Let your wife get free movement. Let her greet people. Let her make friends. You know? I don't believe say friend go even feel spoil person because I wait to do your mind before now you want to. Because I not see where somebody will come spoil me when I don't first spoil. Are you kidding me? So that's what I got to talk, my dear people. Thank you, everybody. Take care till I come your way next time again. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell and share this video for me, please, because this advice is really, really important. 1 or 2 people might pick some sense inside. Thank you and bye. Share this video for me. Share them so that make you reach everybody. And bye, everybody. Bye.